We're at the HYATT ZIVA in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we just checked in. And when you first walk in, they got a nice little setup here. This, ooh, I'm gonna try this out. Coconut nature rally, some snacks, coffee. Come on in so I can show you the little fridge. So right here is a nice little fridge that has the red stripe, their beer, water, sodas, 2 juice boxes. Nice and simple. To the right is the bathroom. And what?
And look, there's something right here. It's like a light, but it's not like a thing. See, it's like this.
Oh, it's a light. Yeah, it's a light switch. So this is the toilet. Does it have a nice little vanity? They have a scale here so you can see how much weight you gained during your trip. And then they have this nice big tub, which is perfect for kids. So Kenzie's gonna have a nice time having her bubble bath. And then over here is a nice shower with the rainfall shower head.
I got it here.
Yeah. Also comes with, what is in here? Shampoo, conditioner, soap bar. The nice marble floors. Is this marble? I don't know. Looks like it. This nice mirror to do your eyebrows and makeup.
Hey, help. Thank you.
Come out over here. Over here is the closet. Got a safe here. And then you got the regular closet, your ironing board. Oh, okay. Lights in here. All right. Hangers. Gonna make ourselves feel like home. There's a nice mirror right here for some mirror selfies. And then this is where all the fun happens. Sleep. So we got the 2 beds. I think this is queen size. Put that slow motion. Got a big screen LG TV. Drawers over here.
And my book bag under.
Oh, Kenzie put a book bag over here. So this is a nice area so you can put your luggage here. So that's what we're going to do once we get our luggage.
A couch.
Then it has a nice little couch right here with a nice mirror. A little seating area. The other bed. And the best part is outside, the view.
The pool.
Welcome to my balcony.
And the pool.
It just smells like paradise. Food,
The pool.
the music. It doesn't even feel like it's December. So they got the swim up bar over there. We haven't fully toured the entire resort yet, but that's what we're gonna do once we get our luggages. Once we came in, they took our luggage and they already know our room number, so they should be knocking anytime soon. Little seating area. So the side that we're on, like I said, is the HYATT ZIVA. That is the family-friendly side. Zilara is the adult side, which we're not allowed to since we have the kids. But they have daily activities here, so we're excited about that. And we'll be vlogging every day here. Welcome, kids.
Hello.
Where are we at?
Jamaica.